I'll discuss about high availability solutions in Azure. First, we will look at availability set. So there are two things: availability set and availability zone. Availability zone we will discuss later, but availability set in this session we are going to discuss. So if we look at the definition, Microsoft definition of availability sets is availability sets or the data center configuration to provide VM redundancy and availability. So that means if you configure or if you put a VM into availability set, that VM will be uh, sustainable to hardware failures, and it is always available with the same performance that you are expecting with that particular VM. And also it says that, so that's what I said, this configuration within the data center ensures that during the planned and unplanned maintenance event, at least one virtual machine is available and meets 99.95 Azure SLA. Okay, so that is what Microsoft says. So machine will provide you the 99.95 uptime. Okay, so when you put, like, when you are creating a available when you are creating a virtual machine, and when you want to put it into availability set, you have to let's take you to the uh, creating of virtual machine in the availability zone. So one thing is if VM is already created, you cannot put that into availability set. If you want to put it availability set or the zone, but if you want your machines to be in any one of these availability solutions, you have to put them when you are creating the virtual machine. So let's start creating one virtual machine, and let's see how do we do it. So I'm just taking this, I'll give some name. You can select anything. So this is where you select um, the availability options. So either you go for availability zone or availability set. So I'm, for this demonstration, I'm selecting the availability set, and then you have to select the availability set here. If it is already created, it will show here. If it is not, you have to create a availability set. So when you have created the availability set, like this availability set, you can also use for your future VM deployments. Um, but first time you have to create it. Okay, so when you are going to create the availability set, you will see two options under that. Let me first create it. Lab, I'm saying availability set one. Okay, yeah. So here you will see two options: fault domains and update domains. So you need to understand what are these fault domains. Fault domains means virtual machines in the same fault domain share a common power source and physical network switch. And update domains means when updates are happening VM level or host level, not VM level, the host level updates, like the real host servers which are hosting these VMs. If there must be some updates will be happening. Those updates will not happen all at a time. So during the updates also, if the host servers are restarted, you will not see any effect on your VMs. That is how these update domains and fault domains are fault domain concepts mean. Okay, so then